people, our invited press. We'd like just to acknowledge Mr. Jeff Fernando of ABS-CBN, Miss Baby Briones of GMA, Roldan Castro, of course, of Mercy Lee Hardy, our top entertainment columnist, and Miss Crispina Belen of Manila Bulletin. While waiting for the rest of the press, we'll just proceed with the mini program. And of course, welcome to the families, relatives, and friends of Mafet. And today is a double celebration because aside from the mini album launch, it's the birthday celebration of our producer's child. Later after the program. And then, just to give you a welcome remarks from our executive producer, Mr. Sheldon Geringer.
All right, thank you very much. And so it's great to be here, and I'm glad that you can all make it. I want to give special thanks to the staff of Hard Rock for doing this. Callison, I don't think he's come in yet, but he bent overboard to help us out. If you can make it tonight too, the band is actually playing tonight. They're going to start at 9 o'clock to 10:30, so you can see a real show. And so we have a beautiful abbreviated program. Now, one thing, and I appreciate everyone coming here. We had the list of names and everything, and it's really very close to my heart. One of the things that I've always appreciated, I've been in the Philippines on and off since 1977, and I've lived here many times, and I've visited here many times. And everyone knows that the Filipino people and the Filipino standards are very high. All around the world, export labor, people go out there and they do all these wonderful things, and I don't think the world could exist without the things that the Philippines does for it, okay? Everywhere you go, it's just wonderful. You go to the United States, something like 270,000 nurses there. The one thing that you don't see is like K-pop and all those other things. You have so many, everyone talks about everyone in Cebu can sing, or all these wonderful things about the Philippines and the singers, and if you come here, you see it for yourself. But what you don't see is those people making it internationally. It doesn't happen, okay? Why? I could never understand that, because you have so much talent here, and it's so wonderful. And I think there's one song that I want to direct particular attention to that'll be played today, and it's a song called Meteor. And so Meteor, ostensibly, it's a love song. It's about a woman that got crushed by her lover, and then she picked herself up. Okay, but really, it's a song about the oppression of everyday life and people that are always trying to put you down, and you can't make things happen, okay? So everyone's experienced that. When you come in, nobody comes into life or comes into a job or something thinking, I'm just going to give up. They come in saying, I'm going to take on the world, I'm going to be the best, whatever. If it's a server here in Hard Rock, they come in saying, I'm going to be the best server that ever was in Hard Rock. And then, over time, people push them down, and other people are jealous, and you never make it, and something bad happens, and they want to try to stop you, okay? And so you're crushed. Your spirit is crushed. It's like getting hit by a meteor. But then you'll see in the song, listen closely, but you'll see at some point that person turns around, and just like a flower, like a seed growing, they come back and they become stronger, and they throw off the chains that surround you. Now, this is a parable somewhat to the music industry here in the Philippines, where 110 million people, you have so many people that can sing, and it's so hard to get started. Okay, it's hard to get started anywhere. It's hard to get started in the United States or wherever. But here, really you have to know somebody. It's a lot of things that have to go on in order to make it. Well, I found the singer in Muffet in one of the venues here, which was Dusit, and I had a song that I wanted to produce. And at first it was very selfish. I just wanted to produce that song. And Muffet's been in the industry about 10 years, I think. And I said, wow, this woman has such a wonderful voice that once we did the first song, I said, let's move on and do some other things. And Venny, he joined the team, and we did some wonderful stuff. Venny wrote 3 original songs, which is amazing. And I hope you agree with me that we've seen a seed that came out of the ground that now turned into this wonderful flower that's raised its head to the sun, just like in the song. So please come with us on this journey today, and hopefully it's the start of a long and wonderful journey of the seed into the flower going up to the the sun. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now, we'd like to call in our record producer, the multi-awarded composer, Mr. Venny Saturno. He's on the phone. While waiting for him, let's just acknowledge, of course, the presence of the road manager of Moffett, Mr. Melvin Between over there. And of course, another aspiring singer, Mr. Webb, who will be doing a duet later during the performance. And here you go, Mr. Venny Saturno. Sir, sir, just a short message.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And finally po, may launch na natin the album of Moffett featuring Webb. And for sure, you will enjoy the album because of it's a combination of my compositions and compositions of my friend, Shelly Geringer or Geringer? Anyway, actually, si Shelly po, matagal nang pabalik-balik sa Pilipinas. And yung puso niya to help Filipino artists, talaga namang hindi nawawala. So, he keeps on helping Filipino artists para makarating doon dito sa limelight, dito sa entertainment. And napaka-thankful ko na magkaroon ng isang kaibigan na ganito who keeps on supporting original Filipino music. And maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo rito sa ating album launching ni Moffett. And for sure, you will enjoy the album. Salamat po.
Salamat, sir. At syempre, bago yung performance, yung main performance ni Moffett, gusto lang namin pakita sa inyo yung music video ng carrier single mismo ng album na Music That's Magandang Umaga, Sun Is Coming. And it's been airing on Mix Music Channel. Past two weeks ago, nasa top 18 siya and still enjoying good feedback from the viewers. And now let's preview or let's watch the music video.
There were times when I would frown, but it wouldn't let them keep me down. The morning signals, everything's okay. What's past is past, we must let go. Good things are coming.
Magandang umaga, Sun is Coming music, of course, written by Mr. Shelly Geringer. And of course, di ba, it's nice to perk up your morning with that good vibes music. Music talaga. At sabi nga ng ating kapatid na si Roldan Castro, ito na raw ang magandang theme song ng Umagang Kay Ganda para sa ABS, di ba? Magandang umaga. And Jeff is part of the Umagang Kay Ganda talaga. So it's magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. At syempre, ito na ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, ang performance na napakinggan ninyo, may mga kopya kayo ng album at dito live, maririnig nyo kung gaano kaganda, kagaling ang boses ni Mafet. O siya, eto na, the stage is hers. So let's call in Miss Mafet, our new recording artist.
Hi, good morning everyone. Before I sing the songs, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga dumating. Ayan. Ooh, this is it. Shelly, thank you very much. Sir Benny, thank you. Sabi ko nga ayoko umiyak. Tissue, please. This is a dream come true, of course. Hindi ko naman inaasahan na mabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng album. Dati, isa lang akong nangangarap. Nagre-record ako sa sarili ko sa isang videoke machine. Sabi ko, balang araw, sana magkaroon ako ng album. And last year, nakilala ko si Shelly. Shelly, thank you very much. This is it. Actually, sa paggawa namin ng album, hindi po madali. Gusto ko nang sumuko. Sabi ko, hindi ko kakayanin to. Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko, gabi-gabi, kumakanta ako, kinabukasan may recording. Sabi ko, I cannot make it. Kasi si Shelly, siya yung taong, Mafet, you have to do this, you have to do this. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. I always say, Shelly, I cannot do it. But he always tells me, Mafet, you can. Kailangan mong lumawak yung yung dream mo. So guys, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga friends namin na hindi pa, kumakanta pa lang ako sa maliliit na bars, nandun na po sila. Maraming salamat. Kahit kulang kayo, alam kong darating yung iba. Abet and Company, maraming salamat. Of course, yung music video, the team behind that music video is the Stronghold Manila. We've got James and Glenn. Palakpakan naman natin sila. They are the one who made the music video. Ayan, palakpakan natin once again. Actually, isang araw lang po namin ginawa yun. Ganun sila kagaling. Puyat na puyat kami, walang tulugan, dumiretso kami sa Tagaytay para lang magawa yung music video. Napakaganda po siya. It's a magandang umaga, sun is coming. Actually, when we recorded that song, hindi ko pa masyadong maintindihan kung ano talaga yung message ng song. Hanggang unti-unti siyang kinakanta ko, unti-unti kong na-realize na ang meaning ng song is, sa bawat buhay ng tao, may pinagdadaanan tayong mga problema. Ang daming negative vibes. Every time we open our television every morning, always na lang siya bad news. So si Shelly gumawa ng bagong kanta para pagbukas daw ng TV, magandang umaga, sun is coming. So always remember guys na kahit anumang problemang dumating sa buhay nyo, lagi nyong tandaan na merong magandang umaga na darating. Kahit anong bagyo ang darating, merong araw na sisikat para sa inyo. Tulad din sa akin. Dati, sabi ko, I just want to sing. Well, hindi ko pinangarap na magkaroon. Sa dami ba naman ng singers, Sir Benny Saturno, bakit ba ako makikilala ng isang hitmaker, Mr. Benny Saturno? Pero andun. Kasi I never give up. Kasi merong magandang umaga para sa akin. May araw na sumisikat para sa akin. So guys, I would like to start this morning with a beautiful song na sinulat ni Sir Shelly. yung sinabi niya kanina, yung meteor. Kung naalala nyo, nasasaktan tayo. Sino ba ang hindi nasasaktan pag nagmamahal, di ba? Iniiwan, umiiyak, ganon. Ganon naman talaga. Medyo nagpapakamartir, pero laging tandaan na, Dok, laging tandaan na merong seed na tutubo at tayo'y makakaahon rin sa mga kalungkutan na nararamdaman natin. So, I think ready na po yung I would like to share this song for you guys. Sana magustuhan nyo. Why do you tell me that you love me? If you knew then that our love was true, destroying all the things I had ever dreamed of. When I found out that none of it was true, my heart was on fire, my eyes red and wet from crying, rushing for life of your forever lying. My body feelings unleash a storm of stones, the pound of my will and shut me to the bones like a meteor rushing down from the sky upon my life and all that I had hoped for. What you did to me was so merciless and cruel that I thought my dreams come true. Couldn't survive anymore like a meteor. I thought my world had surely burned and died. But planted in the earth from a seed a flower has grown, and it pushed up towards the sky from the ashes on the ground. And I know that if I can make it, sing just a few days through, I will raise my head up to the sun to forget I ever needed you. There is a rhythm to the world, and just like night and day, sometimes angels give us blessings, other times the devils play. When the door of life one closes, we come back another way, and our heart back is a meteor. So you better start to pray like a meteor rushing down from the sky upon my life and all that I had hoped for. What you did to me was so merciless and cruel that I thought my hopes and dreams couldn't survive anymore. Like a meteor shooting across the darkest sky, I'm being reborn from the core of blazing glory, much stronger now than I've ever been before. The past not far behind me, in the heavens I soar like a meteor. I have no fear and there's no place you can hide. All right, that was the song Meteor. Whew. Akala ko hindi ako kakabahan kasi sanay na akong humaharap sa mga tao, pero kakaiba talaga. Kakaiba kung lahat ng attention na sa'yo. Anyway, maraming salamat. Okay? This time I'll be doing one of the original songs na sinulat ni Sir Venny para sa akin. Actually, this is my first favorite na sinulat niya sa akin. Sabi na, laging bili ni Sir Benny sa akin, Mafet, alagaan mo yung kanta ko. Sir, alagaan ko talaga, for sure. Napaka-bless ko na isang hitmaker. Ginawan ako ng 3 kanta. So, Sir, promise, I'll take care of it, I'll love it. Ito na po yung magiging baby ko. And of course, Shelly, maraming salamat. Okay? Bakit kailan yung puso mo kalilimutan mo na ba ako? Di ba mababalik ang dating pagtinginan? Kaya ako kalilimutan mo na lang at hahayaan na nag-iisa umumog sa isang tabi ang walang kasama. Bigo ang lila, hanap-hanap pa rin ang pag-ibig mo aking wala na bang pag-asa na muli kang makasama? Hindi na ba magbabalik ang iyong pagmamahal na aking naman? Sinasampit-sampit ang pangalan mo, pilit na inaaliw ang puso ko. Di na ba magbabalik ang yakap mo, mga halik? Kaya't ako kalilimutan mo na lang at hahayaan na nag-iisa mamumukmok sa isang tabi ang walang kasama. Bigo ang lila, hanap-hanap pa rin ang pag-ibig mo aking laman. Wala na bang pag-asa na muli kang makasama? Hindi na ba magbabalik ang iyong pagmamahal na aking laman? Anong puso ko naiiwan mo? Hanggang kailan mag-iisa ang walang kasama? Bigo ang lila, hanap-hanap pa rin ang pag-ibig mo aking laman. Wala na bang pag-asa na muli kang makasama? Hindi na ba magbabalik ang iyong pagmamahal na aking naman? Of course, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Benny. A beautiful song, Akin Lamang. Oh, wala akong masabi. Sige. Anyway guys, maraming salamat. Kung may dumarating pa, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo nyo. Kahit Sunday ngayon, talagang nag-take time kayo para pumunta dito sa amin. Alam kong mahirap magbigay ng panahon. Diba? Pag Sunday, it's a family day, pero pinili nyong nandito kayo para sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Sige. Okay. This next song actually, ito yung huling-huli namin na ni-record. Remember, Shirley? This next song that I'll be singing to you is the last song that we recorded. Bakit? Ang hirap para sa akin. Masyadong malalim yung meaning ng song. Isa siyang song na sinulat ni Sir Shelley para sa mga taong yung tipong hinihigpitan ng mga magulang. Ha? Na-experience nyo na ba yon? Yung, ay hindi. Yung tipong, Ma, Daddy, I want to go there. No, no, no. You have to be here at home. Kailangan maging magaling ka para sa kanila. Kailangan maging mabait ka sa kanila. Pero may gusto kang gawin. Ngunit ang hirap, di ba? Ito yung song na nagsasabi ng sa loobin ng isang tao na may gusto akong gagawin, kaso lang hindi ko magawa. Kasi ito ako eh. Tinatago nila ako. So I want to share this song to you. This is Bad Tonight for everyone. Mama told me to be good. My absent father had no say. I was expected to be pure. For me there was no other way. But I found in all my years, those who say don't always do. Advice is nice, but sad time. We're on our own, and that is fine. I wanna be bad tonight. I wanna be bad tonight. I wanna be bad tonight. My goods are past, and that's hoping that it's just not right. Experience is what I have to gain. I really need a shot of that injected in my real gut face. Right and wrong are just two words. Right and wrong, just two words. Never easy to explain. ba? Hindi madali. Lalo na ngayon, hindi pa kami nakakatulog. Ang hirap nga niyang ibirit, di ba? Kaya, I wanna be bad tonight. Laging tandaan yan. Gusto kong maging masama minsan. Ayan. Hindi naman lahat, di ba, sa lahat ng panahon na kailangan maging mabait. Mas maganda yung may medyo pagka-bad side. Okay, kung nagustuhan niyo yon, yung kanina may sinulat si Sir Venny sa akin na akin lamang. This time, I would like to share you another original song from Mr. Venny Saturna. And I would like to call in my featured singer, Mr. Webb. Yan, palapakan naman natin. Actually, when we recorded the album, sabi ni Shelly, you have to look for a backup singer. So, this is Webb. Actually, kababayan ko siya from Mindanao. Ayan. So, wala akong ibang maisip kundi siya ang kukunin ko para maging backup ko. And then, dahil nag-backup siya sa ibang kanta ko, nagustuhan ni Sir Venny yung boses niya. Of course, si Sir Shelly, nagustuhan niya. So, they planned na bigyan din siya ng kanta. So, this time,
Pumutok na yung atay ko.
ako kanina pa. Actually,
Thank you,
this
thank you,
song
thank you.
is solo ko dapat to eh. Pero sabi ni Sir Venny, mas magandang gawin yung duet to. Mas maganda siya. Sige, let's gonna try this one. Sana magustuhan nyo.
Hinto ang buhay kung wala ka na. Magdidilim ang langit kong mag-isa. Anong silbi ng pag-ibig kung wala ka na sa akin? Ang bawat araw ko'y magdidilim.
Mahal kita, hindi ko kaya na mawala ka pa. Pag-ibig mo, ang buhay at ang aking hininga. Dasal ko sana kahit kailanman ay di naman layo sa'yo. Sa araw-araw ay
would like to take this opportunity to say to Shelly, thank you so much for the chance, Sir Benny. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng pagkakataong magiging part ng album ni Muffet.
Of course, you're deserving naman eh.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Oh,
Oh,
Nahiya
panahon
ako
mo na.
magsabi.
Nahiya
Pero
daw
this,
siya.
actually this next song is not really included in the album. Pero out na po siya sa iTunes and Amazon.com. It's called Love Manila. So this song is all about Manila. It's so many reasons. Kasi tayo sa Manila, kahit gaano ka-traffic, kahit gaano ka pawis na pawis tayo sa sobrang init, we still go forward to having good time maano natin, manamnam natin ang fun ng Manila. So actually this song is has a cheerful beat which captures a feeling of excitement. Sana maindak din kayo. Maganda yung maganda yung mensahe niya. It's all about kasiyahan. Okay? Thank you.
Actually, this Love Manila is career single ni Web. Ayan.
Ayun, sorry.
Oo. Dati, backup singer ko lang siya ngayon. May career single na rin siya. Sana po masuportahan niyo.
Sana
It's a very
supportahan.
good song for everyone.
Tapos may aabangan tayong bagong gawa ni Sir Shelly at Sir Benny.
Okay.
Okay.
Much at night, I love about Manila. Like they say, life here can be a thriller. The things we do, they are sure a killer. My nights are hot with you in Manila. Love Manila. Love Manila.
Loving in the park and the clubs rock after dark. Holding on to you so tight as we head into the night. There's nothing I can do when I'm feeling it with you. Like a tiger in a cage, Manila keeps me in a rage. You are the reason. I don't care what season, in the sunshine or rain, I will never complain. Your kisses are on fire, my heart you inspire. Whether pleasure or pain, it's your love that keeps me sane.
Love Manila is the place where I was born.
It's where I want to be, from the dusk until the dawn.
Manila is the city where everything I am was born. In its world of mine, I am constantly reborn.
Like taking shelter from the thunder of a storm, I always have your love next to me to keep me warm. M-A-N-I-L-A, love Manila. 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 Much at night, I love about Manila. Like they say, life here can be a thriller. The things we do, they are sure a killer. My nights are hot with you in Manila. Nothing's ever too far by a jeepney or a car. Moving like a typhoon as we hop from bar to bar. One thing I've been told is that Manila won't get old. A party in a party keeps us playing big and bold. The streets are lit brightly with you to excite me. And dancing we go to a world that we know. With all of the action, it's a first-rate attraction. Just like you and me,
forever it will be. M-A-N-I-L-A, love Manila.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Okay, thank you, thank you. Maraming
Thank you
salamat.
very much. Dudes. Once again po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga dumalo, to our press friends, James and Glenn, maraming salamat. Sa lahat po ng mga friends namin. And of course, the family ni Webb, all the way from Mindanao. Maraming salamat. Once again, Sir Venny, Sir Shelly, thank you very much. Promise I'll take care of my career. Yun lang masasabi ko for you guys. I promise to you na I will share my music. Dudes, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Miss Moffat, and thank you, Mr. Webb. And that's it. It's an intimate gathering of our press people. And syempre, we'd like to acknowledge the TB5 crew headed by Miss Coco Sanga. And the press will just to have the interview with Miss Moffat as we proceed. And let's enjoy the meal. Thank you, everyone, for coming.